Hi, my name is Rhonda Schaefer from Fairport, New York. If you haven't been here before, please subscribe at the end of this video. What I'll be talking about today is the most valuable commodity on the internet, and that is traffic. Is your business stuck? Mine was too, until I realized there were only 3 things I needed to really make it happen for myself. First, I needed an email list. Truth is, your email list is the most important part of your business, because unless you know who you want to serve and how to reach them, and who ultimately will want what you have to offer, then you're really not in business. Which brings us to the offer. This is the next step to success in business. When you find out what the people you're helping are struggling with, then you offer them a product or service that will solve that initial problem. And for many, the problem they have, and a great problem to have and solve, is traffic. Traffic is how you're going to build your list of people who want to buy what you're offering, and without traffic, there's no list to sell your offer to. So when you have all of these in place, you can focus on offering other products and services that complement what your audience wants. Now imagine having all 3 of these in one place. What if you could build your list, offer a super high converting and in-demand product such as traffic, and then make big commissions every time your customers buy more? Exactly. Cha-ching. You've got to check this out by clicking on the traffic link below and tell me what you think. Personally, I love it. With that said, click on the traffic link below for more information. Thank you for watching. Good day.